Here's a mid-March update of the demolition of the Pattullo Bridge. We begin on the Surrey side, where they are starting to remove the concrete where the new cycling and pedestrian path will be. They also have partially removed the curb and railing where the new off-ramp to Highway 17 will be. They have constructed a temporary road through Brownsville Bar Park to reach under that section of the bridge. Moving over to the new west side of the bridge, we can see that a larger portion of the bridge has already been removed. The section above Front Street still remains for now.